Well, today we're gonna go ahead and unbox the HomePod Mini here. Showed up yesterday. I actually bought two. I've been using the other one all morning, and honestly, I'm quite happy with the sound. This is a cool little device, but let's unbox it and take a peek what we get, and we'll go on from there. So there's Siri on top. Its box just shows you what you'd expect the HomePod to look like. So let's open this sucker up. Come on, take your sweet time. Alrighty, and there we go. We have the HomePod Mini. You can see the plus and minus button there on the top. If we pull it out comes the cable. It is a USB-C or USB Type-C end. And the upside with the HomePod over the iPhone is somewhere in this box. So you can see we have the power adapter, which is very nice, but it is a big frickin' power adapter. Like, come on, Apple. Don't you know we're gonna put this thing behind a dresser or something? Not anywhere where this is gonna be anywhere good, but at least they're thinking about the environment here, and they wrap them in paper instead of the plastic that they have previously been wrapping them in. But we'll set that stuff aside. In here we have our information, quick Siri information, how to control it, and then setup information. Don't need that. Safety instructions, legalese, and then all, the thing we've always been waiting for. Quality Apple sticker, because who doesn't need another one of those in their life? But good there. So we'll just pull off the bottom thing here, and we have a nice Apple logo, because of course we didn't know it was made by Apple in the first place. Pull this stuff off the charging cable here, and so what we're going to do is I'll reset up my camera and we'll get this thing set up. We're set up with the HomePod. As you can see, we're waiting to turn it on. I'll go ahead and screen record my phone so you can see what happens. As you can see, we have a setup, so we'll go ahead and hit setup, and this is going to be in the living room, so we'll continue. We'll not use personal requests right now, and continue, and we'll go ahead and transfer the settings. And the upside is all I have to do is center it over the HomePod, and it goes. Just like that. Now we're setting up, as you can see, and we're ready to go. That was maybe a 30 seconds. So done. So it's awesome that you could come into the house just, playing some music on your phone, whether it's the AirPods or just on your phone. So we're gonna play music, and playing on my phone here. And all I have to do is just nicely tap it against, and it's transferring over to the HomePod, playing on the HomePod. Easy enough. If I want to take it back, I can just transfer it back and take it away and transfer it back to the HomePod. Quite easy to do that. So we're going to go ahead and set up the HomePods into a stereo pair. What you have to do is go into the Home app, and I'm going to just tap on one. They're now in the same room. We'll go into Settings and create stereo pair. We'll pair it with the other one. So this is located now in the living room, and you can tap each HomePod to get a sound. We have to flip them. So now the left is correct and the right is correct. And we'll head back, and we're good to go. We have our 2 speakers, so we can get out, and we'll go back to our music app here and just start playing. And if I transfer over to the HomePods, we're in stereo. And I can take it back from one of them and go right back to it. Let's talk HomePod Mini. Mine is in white. The thing I don't like is that the cable is tied to it, but it's a nice fabric-y material coming out, and we get the charging brick. It's a tiny device with great sound. I don't know how Apple was able to get such a good low end and even high end out of this tiny little device. Granted, it's not near as loud as, say, my big speakers that we have here to the side, or even the regular HomePod, but this beats the pants off an Amazon Echo or Echo Dot. That's why I purchased 2 of these. I purchased these for the better sound quality over the Amazon Echo or Echo Dot, and for the ease of use for myself and my wife. We like to play music all over the house, and we will likely be buying more of these HomePods for different locations, as you can play all of them at the same time or play different music to different ones. Set them up in a stereo pair, and as soon as the next Apple TV comes out, we'll set them up in a stereo pair tied to that Apple TV. I can move my sound system that's just a little too much down to the basement, so it's out of the way of the dog and the kid, and these devices will just do the trick for watching TV. So for the price point, should you buy one? Well, let's talk about a few things. 1, Siri. Siri integration is just that, Siri. It's not the best. If you're looking for the best home assistant, look towards the Amazon Echoes or the Google Homes. Their integration with all kinds of different systems, whether it's lights or doorbells or door locks, whatever you're looking for in your home integration, those devices will work better within your home. If you're looking to play music and looking for a wireless way to play music, then yes, the HomePod's for you, especially if you already have an iPhone to play it with, or a Mac, or an iPad for that matter. If you've got any one of those devices, I'd say go ahead. At $100, you can't beat it. Buy 3 of them and do better than the regular HomePod. If you need it to be in an enormous room, then you probably want to go with a regular HomePod. But for a room that is on the smaller side, or just as a regular living room or kitchen or dining area or bedroom, the HomePod Mini will be great, and they can kind of be set out of the way. The other downside of the HomePod Mini is the attached cable and the way they have the power brick set up. I'd much rather see a power brick with a right angle on it, so the cable angled down instead of out, and then you have to flex the cable. I'd much rather see the whole power brick go down or up, and then can be hidden behind an end table or a dresser or something hidden. Make this thing just look nice and clean, a little orb sitting on a table. But that's just my thoughts. Remember to like and subscribe and click that bell icon for notifications on when I post more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.